Wow, how can we be on day 18 already? Did you have a wonderful weekend? Were you doing your habits? Remember, it was just maintaining our current habits, such as in the morning, getting dressed to shoes, doing a 2-minute hotspot, and a 5-minute room rescue. We're also doing a 15-minute declutter and 15-minute rest and making our beds. And no daily mission because if you look on the Flylady website, that is only Monday through Friday, as well as the evening routines include shining our sink, picking out our clothes for tomorrow, doing a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, checking our calendars, and going to bed on time. I hope you were able to maintain all of your habits. And today, in addition to doing our habits, we will also be looking at the Flylady rules. Flylady has a couple of rules in her website. She calls them the Flylady commandments. But either way, they are the rules of the Flylady system. We're going to get on the website and look at these rules.
Okay, so once you get to the Flylady website, you're going to search the Flylady commandments. It will be the second one is in list form. The first one is an image. You're welcome to use that if it's better for you. Here they are. Be sure to review them at your own pace. These are the Flylady rules. Feel free to print them out and put them in your control journal if you wish.
So that's it for today's challenge. I hope you had a chance to look at the rules. You're more than welcome to print them out and put them in your control journal if you'd like to. Otherwise, let's keep on doing those habits, and God willing, I'll see you tomorrow for day 19. I also released a video about how to maximize your budget, so be sure to check that out right here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.